effectively, if our data is not stored in our country, it's not subject to Te Tiriti. So we lose our collective rights. We lose our Māori rights and interest to data. So when we think about that and drop it down to national level, Māori data sovereignty, the definition is the right of Māori to access, to use, to have governance and control over Māori data. And that's about protecting our rights of access to the data, participation in data integration activities. So in Aotearoa, we have a world-leading, what they call integrated data infrastructure. It's effectively a massive data set where the government have connected up all of our data. So justice, education, corrections, police. If you've had any engagement with the Crown, they've collected all your data and then they've stored it. So you can track an individual in their life. And so that's where the government will say, oh, these 10,000 people will cost me $6.5 billion in their lifetime because of their engagement with Oranga Tamariki, with the police, with justice. What they don't use that data set for is to show you how much their system costs us, but also how much we contribute to this nation.